On today's menu, a super easy and delicious recipe your friends and family will love. Delightful fig and bean crostinis. Lei hou ma, as it's going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Yeung. Join me in this episode as we make a really easy recipe that's delicious and looks like $1,000,000. As always, if you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's begin. Slice down your favorite baguette. One full-size baguette should make about 15 to 20 crostini. Frying pan. Medium heat. Place the slices of bread onto the frying pan and let them toast for a few minutes. You can add a little bit of oil into the pan prior, I just chose not to for today. Carefully turn over and toast the other side for a couple of minutes. Spread them out onto a cooling rack. It's important to use a cooling rack and not a plate so that it doesn't condensate and get soggy. A 540 ml can of white kidney beans. Rinse and drain the beans. Transfer the beans to the food processor. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 2 tablespoons maple syrup. Add in a good pinch of salt and fresh cracked pepper to taste. By the way, this is a companion video to one of the recipes found in the 4th cookbook, Dining In with Will. For more information about this book or the other Young Man Cooking cookbooks, there is a print or digital version available in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. Thank you very much for supporting the cooking show. Blend for about 1 minute. The white kidney beans are buttery and work well with this recipe, but of course you can definitely use other beans if you like, it's completely up to you. Slice in half 15 to 20 fresh figs. I absolutely love fresh figs as they have this slightly floral and honey-like sweetness. For today, I'm using a slate serving board. Plate and line up that crispy bread. The bean spread can be made ahead of time and kept refrigerated to be enjoyed for up to 1 to 2 weeks. Start by spreading some of that bean spread onto each slice of bread. Place on top the fresh figs. Sprinkle over some fresh thyme. And drizzle over some delicious balsamic glaze. Savory, sweet, crunchy, and delicious. You can now make this fig and bean crostini with absolute confidence. They look and smell really nice. Man, that is tasty. Of course, visually it looks delicious, it looks inviting. It's fancy yet rustic at the same time. The baguette has that beautiful crust on it, and it's really nice and crispy. Then you have that contrast in texture from the tender, fresh figs and the really nice and smooth white bean. Flavor-wise, there's that savoriness and that really delightful sweetness from the fresh figs, coupled with the maple syrup, the balsamic glaze, which also adds a little bit of tanginess as well. There's also that extraordinary aromatic scent that comes from that earthy thyme. Layering that bean on the toast actually helps keep the figs in place. Even when you go and take a bite out of it, nothing falls apart. It's full of flavor, contrasting textures, and of course, it's so simple to put together. Like I always say, it's simple, delicious recipes like this that makes it so much fun to cook and dine in at home. If you love easy, delicious recipes like me, definitely check out or pick up your copy of the 4 Young Men Cooking Cookbooks. There is a print or digital version available in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. As always, if you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, be sure to do so that we can cook together again in the next episode.